What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. As you can tell by the title of this vlog is Mum's last day here on earth with us. This vlog contains Mum's last breath, and it was just so amazing that we got to capture it. You know, it wasn't amazing for me to edit this vlog. I thought yesterday's vlog was the hardest vlog because it meant that I would be rewatching from the start, and then hopefully this vlog will be easier. No, it was just as worse. It took me about 7 hours to edit this vlog because I just kept stopping and just crying and then editing and then watching and then crying, and it was just a major roller coaster for me. It's 7. I literally said goodbye to my husband. He's gone to work. I'm just about to upload this vlog, but I wanted to clear up yesterday's vlog. So Mum had never taken morphine, and that night she just couldn't bear the pain and she really wanted something stronger. And so the nurse told Riri that she could give her a dose of her first morphine. She was in so much pain, and so before we gave her the morphine, the doctors did tell us that she could slip into a deep sleep for 12 hours or because she was also about to take the drop in her mouth, which was like a tranquilizer, and that was going to help her sleep. But when Mum took both drugs, it didn't actually knock her out. So we thought that she was going to go sleep. We just didn't want anything to happen during her rest, that we didn't get to say goodbye to her or tell her that we love her. So that was when we thought we would say goodbye to her and good night, and that we'll see her in the morning. But yeah, she actually didn't go to sleep. She had a restless night all the way till the morning. And yeah, so this vlog starts from the very morning that we actually were just about to sleep and my auntie rocks up. So yeah, just like our previous vlog, this vlog is dedicated to our beautiful queen, our mom, our meal, Tanuvasa. This vlog is dedicated to her, and God bless. And let's get into this vlog. I love you, Mom, so much. Around 7:30 a.m. my auntie arrived at our house, and she was just in so much disbelief of the state that Mum was in. I don't know what made my auntie come that very morning, but it was such a beautiful moment, as she was the first one to arrive and just have that precious moment with Mum early that morning.
And every day life seems to get the best of me. I just gotta keep going.
Say I love you, Nana.
Yeah, it's just you.
Where? He thinks Nana. Where? Is that where? Show. Go. Is that Nana Lila? Is that Nana Lila?
Yes.
Mum is a sibling of 8, and she's very fortunate that she lives here in Melbourne with 3 other siblings. And as they all started to slowly arrive with their kids, my auntie Lila called her other siblings who live international, so they are able to say their final goodbyes, as Mum was slowly becoming unresponsive.
Many nights I was left all alone, feeling, wondering why I could feel so alone, even though I believe that you love.
Mommy.
Get scared, I find myself running back to
Amen.
end of our Death is not the end of our journey. Julie, Leah, Sera, Chris, we all believe that Lord Jesus Christ already promised to us there is a everlasting life.
Amen.
But be strong, Tima, Umatato, we all feel this, the pain. Tima, Umatato, Tuxx.
With you, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear. I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear. I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand.
Mom, we love you. So as the day went on, we had to call my brother and let him know that in our opinion, we knew that Mum was within her final hours. And as soon as we told my brother that, he booked his first flight here. You know, it was such a hard decision for him because his wife was pregnant, and the uncertainty of whether he had to return back to Brisbane and quarantine for 14 days while his wife is pregnant was such a scary thought for him. But with his wife 100% behind him, she helped him make that decision much easier. And so this is the moment that my brother made it to Melbourne at 5:30 p.m. And it was like my mom was waiting for him. You could just see in this moment how relieved we all were. We just knew that Mum knew he was there. And within those few hours of him being there, Mum took her final breath.
Jadi nak baik kami tiupkan apa itu ya. Dia nak orang orang dia ni nak baik kakak. Dan tinggal dia kuat yang kau ya. Dan tinggal dia kuat yang kau ya. Nak kira bunga, jadi nak baik lah ya kakak nak. Dia nak tu mama apa dia nak. Orang fikir lah baik. Quay phim này đi có cô ấy. Ano umali yung dia, Sera, Sera, Chili, Yo, tamang dia yan. Yan kasi po ito pagkat ko ulwa ba saya kayo mo dito saya mo tor yung pansiya maya. Bakit? Ikaw ko pemikin. Wah, pero papamaw niya kiyon. Di kay dia on. Pagkiyok dia kabitin. Inayokin. Pagsinako ya. Preparo mo man.
All throughout Sunday, Mum's friends, Mum's family, our neighbors, and most importantly, our church family from the House of Bread visited Mum throughout this day. It was like everyone just had this gut feeling that this was going to be Mum's last moment. And so we opened our house to every single person who wanted to come and visit her. Throughout Mum's sickness, people that we would never expect, people that we didn't even know that Mum touched their lives, were visiting her throughout her sickness, were sending flowers. These were the people that gave Mum a little bit of hope and were a light in her dark times throughout her sickness.
We'll come back tonight. Okay.
There with you, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear. I have redeemed you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Have no fear, for I am with you. I have called you by name, and you are mine. Have no fear. I have redeemed you. I will uphold you.
Do your TikTok to Mum.
TikTok. 1, 2, 3. Auntie, we love you so much. You said you were gonna be at my wedding. You said when, and I said December. You said, oh, hold on. But it's alright, Auntie. I forgive you. Because I know if you could, you would have been there. I used to get so angry with my parents when they didn't let me sleep here when I was younger. Because I used to think your house was so fun. Auntie, I love you so much. And I just know you lived a good life, Auntie. You lived your life to the fullest, and that was so shown around here. Everyone loved you so much, Auntie. Auntie, I promise I'll always be with the girls.
Auntie. It's Jeff and us. It's me, Rob. It's Jeff and Silver. Auntie, well, I know. For whatever we have done wrong, ask me forgiveness, Auntie. And I know I piss you off every time I come.
I'm still angry. Why did you come to my wedding? Why they? I know self-fight on money, bro. Yeah, Jeff. I got aqua. Oh, yan, masang halap kita. Nilalayan. So, semaya makusema pa yawe, auntie. Pamakalumay. I know I used to treat your kids like shit. And I used to always fight with them. And I know you wanted to stab me at one day, but we love you, auntie. You've always been beautiful and you still are. Look at you. You're glamorous. We love you, auntie. I promise to be here for your sons, for your daughters, and your husband. Don't worry, Uncle won't be moving on. I've got a shotgun. He's alright. We love you so much, auntie.
Just your love.
Yeah. Auntie can hear my thoughts.
Auntie. Oh boy.
Hati kau menjadi dia ni ngoceh dia ni. Nak awak pun.
Love you, auntie.
From your fairy nephew.
She always come and ask me for money, Mum.
Để bác mới tôi chịu cho. Jadi kau kali ini. Kayak kau ngaruh kami ya, udah baru tinggal so.
Love you so much, Mum.
Mấy ba cô phá canh mấy ba con ngay những phá canh mấy đồ bạch chay và kiểu ấy nè phải lâu đi ý ngạ bây giờ phải lâu đi ý nó phá canh mấy dạo ok phải lâu đi ý nó phá canh mấy dạo yang vậy vậy để lúc phò nó phang lắm dạ ơi thì lại ma luôn 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 lại tập đi nếu vậy ma cam đi Sera Ria đó Sera Risi yang ingat kaya obia sawa bia ini apa itu mbak kalau mau umbau ini ya bia oke lupa bak kapan bia Syria ya udah kau kalau kau rap oke mam.
Come in. Come Sera.
She's going sure. Bye, Mom. Love you. Love you. Love you, Auntie.
Love you, Auntie.
God needed you more. Your smile, your smile, your smile, and I needed you more. Rest in love, rest in love.